Hello everyone! Okay, in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to swap crypto on MetaMask in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So, of course, we need to go to our MetaMask extension and here, and I wanted to open this on full screen. So, if you guys wanted to, from USDT to BNB, if you have, balance here and you wanted to convert it or to swap it into BNB. So, first thing you need to do, guys, is you just have to click this swap button, guys. Okay, click that one and you need to choose what cryptocurrency. Okay, let's say the USDT, and you wanted to swap it to BNB. Okay, let's say this one, the Binance coin, and let's say you have a balance of 100. Okay, so this amount of money, guys, is equivalent to 0.1.57 on BNB cryptocurrency. So after you put the amount here, guys, so as you can see here on the bottom, guys, it says that insufficient funds because I don't have a balance here. So if you see the here a swap or confirm, just have to click that one, guys, and you will be successfully swap the cryptocurrency to another one. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MetaMask. Thank you.